everyone, welcome to Healthy Math channel.
I'm Dr. Ayushi Negi, dental surgeon at Kalra Hospital in Delhi. I have completed my BDS from Institute of Dental Sciences, Bareilly. Following that, I have done Advanced Aesthetic Endodontic course from AADE, India. Pediatric Dentistry Specialty Program from Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland and Implant Dentistry course from the University of Hong Kong. I'm the founder of Den Artworks India. So today I'll be talking about the future of dental stem cells. Before beginning with the dental stem cells, I would like to talk about stem cells. So what are stem cells? Stem cells are the cells that have the potential to develop into many different types of cells in the body. They serve as the repair system for the body. It is because of their wonderful ability that they have the potential to treat over 80 life-threatening diseases like liver cirrhosis, autism, diabetes, cardiomyopathy and many more. So now let's begin with the dental stem cells. The dental and the craniofacial tissues are known to be rich source of mesenchymal cells and their multipotent nature. That's why they have the potential to regenerate different tissues like bone, fat, muscles, cartilages, tooth and pancreases. The dental stem cells are identified within the tissues like dental pulp stem cells from apical papilla, periodontal ligament stem cells, tooth progenitor stem cells from the human exfoliated deciduous tooth, and many more. Out of these, dental pulp stem cells and the stem cells from human exfoliated deciduous teeth are considered to be the rich source of stem cells. To implicate dental stem cells in dentistry, scientists have been researching on dentin regenerative using dental stem cells along with biomaterials. In this study, the implantation of gelatin hydrogels is done with collagen sponge into defects over amputated pulp. After this trial, the scientists discovered the newly formed dentin at the surface of proliferating pulp. Similarly, another study has been conducted for regenerative endodontic therapy where stem cells can be used to regenerate dead tooth into a live tooth. In root canal treatment, scientists used hydrogels instead of cementing materials. So here the question arises, why hydrogels? It is because hydrogels have the characteristics to attract stem cells and then differentiate them into blood vessels and even a dental pulp. This study has also been published in the Journal of New Jersey Institute of Technology. Studies have also demonstrated the utility of hydrogel scaffolds for tooth tissue engineering application. These scaffolds further grow into different layers of tooth. We can then have a live tooth grow inside a petri dish which can be used for the transplantation purposes. In recent advancements for dental and tissue engineering strategies, scientists are using 3D printing to make biocompatible or bioinert materials. Fibrous silk protein is one of the biomaterial scaffolds which are also being used in tooth and bone repair. These scaffolds are generated and harvested from silkworms and spiders. Taking these studies and research forward, scientists are also working on regrowing human tooth. Researchers at the Tufts University School of Dental Medicine and Okayama University in Japan have been using dental stem cells to regrow teeth and the supporting tissues. Now this method involves placing these stem cells in just scaffolds to regrow tooth buds that resembles the tooth bud that normally children have below their deciduous tooth or a baby teeth. The stem cell grown tooth bud are then implanted into the jawbone where they grow into fully flushed adult teeth in just 5 months. This technique has been successfully tested in pigs and canines. Numerous clinical trials are undergoing and soon we will be able to regenerate human tooth from the dental stem cells. Stem cell regenerative medicine are on cusp of revolutionizing dentistry and innovating the standard of care by replacing artificial solutions with the natural ones. Because of regenerative medicine, stem cells used are the patient's own stem cell, which eliminates the risk of rejection. Just to mention, in India, tooth banking facility is available in stem-made mother cells and store your cells. Thank you for watching. For more videos like these, keep following. For queries and updates, follow me on Instagram. Stay safe, wear your mask and maintain social distancing.